Well, hello everyone. It is Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith Eddy, Rolls-Royce Technician Eddy, and Realtor Eddy coming to you live at his new warehouse here in sunny South Florida. And boy, things are taking place. We're going to give you a quick tour here. As a matter of fact, we got everything up against the wall, so we'll be able to pull a few vehicles in here throughout the jobs during the day. And we have all our stuff in order here. Moving carts. One of the best things is one of these table carts that'll lift up to 4.5 feet, hold 1,000 pounds, and it really come in handy here the last couple of days. We've got the big 12-foot ladders here, again with the generators. We've got buffers over here, gasoline, kerosene cleaners, and all of this. And coming over here, we have our cleaning supplies, everything over here. We have buckets of water ready to clean up, a lot of paper towels, a shop vac. That's one of my custom-made jobs, with the dirt collector on top so that we don't cram up the filter down below. We've got our big heavy-duty wrench there. You can see the size of that wrench with the bars to open up those brake accumulators, along with all this other equipment. We've got a nice air compressor here, our wire wheel that we use to polish up our parts cleaning tank here, and then our big 20-ton press to press out the bearings of Rolls-Royce water pumps, Bentleys, stuff like that. We got our brand new air compressor here. This is our brand new Quincy 60-gallon, 5-horsepower job. I just got done finishing installing that, putting that together. We have our locksmith bench here with all of our equipment and tools down below. Pin kits for all the classic Rolls-Royce. Another semi-automatic right-hand key machine here. And then all our parts here for the Rolls-Royce repairs here. We got all our nuts, bolts, screws, stuff like that. Our clothes, I got some racks of clothes. Those are all motorcycle outfits right there. So we got plenty of clothing, attire for motorcycle riding. We put in these big LED lights. These LEDs, 10,000 lumens. They really put out the light there down here in there. As a matter of fact, we have the extremely high ceilings. High ceilings in here with automatic garage door opener. Our sand blasters, these are our sand blasters here, Trincos, and then we have a smaller one. One has the aluminum oxide that rips everything right off. The other one, glass beads. We have the collector there, reclaimer, and then we have the big heavy-duty brand new vacuum. So with the filter, double filtered with an external filter, so we have a dust-free environment here. We got lots of plugs here all ready to go, regulators all set up as well. So what we're going to do also here is our Rolls-Royce parts here. We have our calipers. These are actually calipers I just finished. We're going to put the pistons and the seals in. These are for the mineral oil at 1980 Rolls-Royce and up, silver Spirit, silver Spur, stuff like that takes the mineral oil, not the RR363. This is our one of our Rolls-Royce bins, full of ignition switches. I get them shipped from around the world, coming in to get keys and stuff like that. We also have accumulators. These are all the style of accumulators that use the RR363 fluid, along with the brake valves that screw up on top of it. We also rebuild these height controllers, and then we have all of our brake pumps in here. We got all kind of brake pumps for SY and SZ print pump kits. So we got all of that ready. And then our brake pumps, we actually have brake pump for the early Silver Shadow, Silver 8. More parts for the brake pumps. And then we come down here. These are all brake pistons, all different seals. We got the big Snap-on 600 foot-pound torque wrench there. That's one at the top of the line. Then we have lots of pistons, all Rolls-Royce pistons. These are for front pistons. And then all your miscellaneous parts and stuff in here. And then all here we have our G valves, along with our vacuums, solenoids, and stuff like that. Then over here we have all our Rolls-Royce parts that we use. Water pumps, we rebuild. Plenty of water pumps here. Brake calipers, we got all kind of calipers. As a matter of fact, there's sets here that are already done, other ones that are ready to go. If somebody sends them out, we can get them shipped out the same day. We have front calipers and rear calipers. Those are the rear ones down there. These are set our whole rears completely done, along with water pumps. We also have a big heavy safe. It's about 450 pounds monster that I had to get open, which is now open. Long as somebody didn't turn that dial. No, there it is. Yeah, it works beautiful. Then our key machines here. I made this keyboard here just for this particular shop. We got all of the classic cars and the stuff like that, padlock and bit keys, bit and barrels. I have a few hundred barrel keys over in the I use a lot of those in Palm Beach and stuff. We have 3 of these machines. These are the Kyles. I took them all apart, cleaned everything, polished it all up, put it in a parts tank, made it look brand new. We also have our HBC Code Max, our flat steel machine. Then over here we have another machine. I took this all apart, cleaned it all as well, so we have them set up for different applications as far as keys are concerned. And then we have our other one over here. This one here, again, all completely stripped down. There's 2 Kyles and 1 Ilco. This is the Ilco machine here, same type of thing. And then we have our drill press and stuff over there. We also have our keys. These are our keys that I use mostly. Motorcycle, we do a lot of airplane and helicopter keys at the Jet Aviation over at Pittsburgh, or not Pittsburgh. I was doing locks in Pittsburgh, over at Palm Beach International and Lantana Airport, and up at North Palm. So we do a lot of those. As far as golf cart keys, I do a lot of the country clubs supply their keys and stuff for them. As a matter of fact, we have our machines here, our framing, stuff like that, and then loaded with tools. Behind the Rolls-Royce, we stacked up everything there. And then all of our locks, the doorknobs, deadbolts, stuff like that. So there you have it, Mr. Sunshine. Locksmith Eddy, Rolls-Royce Technician Eddy, and Realtor Eddy. If you're looking for a property down here. Oh, here's our tank, 1100 PSI of nitrogen. We refill the brake accumulators so that they're charged back up, ready to go to break those big Rolls-Royce automobiles. Pick up that phone, 561-693-8636. Mr. Sunshine coming to you live at his warehouse here in sunny South Florida. Thank you for watching.